Hey everybody, what's going on? It's your favorite girl, Isis Love, you guys. Welcome to the Isis Love Show, you guys, where I give you your daily dose of wake up. So today, I want to speak a little bit about why your affirmations are not working, right? Let's speak about it. Have you ever been in a predicament where you're like saying affirmations like over and over and over and over again? You're just like, oh my gosh, like I've been saying this affirmation over and over, but nothing's happening. You know what's missing? The feeling nature. That's what's missing. When you're reading your affirmations, you just can't just read it. Like, you gotta feel it. Like, for example, if you're saying, you know, I'm so happy and grateful now that I have my, and then you have to speak as if it's already happening. That's the thing. Like, you have to speak as if. So, for example, if you want a brand new Tesla, you have to say, I'm so happy and grateful now that I have a Tesla X. Right? And then when you say it, you gotta feel it. How does that feel? Like, how does it feel to have that Tesla X? Right? Like, what does it smell like in there? Like, what is the color? Like, when you hop in it, like, what mood are you in? So, like, the reason why your affirmations are not working is because you're not putting the feeling nature behind it. In order to feel it and send it off, you have to put some energy behind it. Right? You have to put some energy behind it. So I hope this video has helped you guys, because remember, in order for your affirmations to work, you have to already claim it as though it's already done. And then on top of that, you have to put the feeling nature in there, you guys. So let's redo your affirmations. Let's put it with some feeling behind it. And I guarantee you're going to get different results. Peace!